Is your dishwasher making noise when off? Your dishwasher will make noise when off due to the drain pump running all the time, and this happens when the anti-flood device is activated. Most dishwashers have an anti-flood feature meant to detect and eliminate water in the washing machine. The device works independently from the wash program to fire up the drain pump motor even when the appliance is off. The dishwasher is always in drain mode, hence, it doesn't fill or circulate the water. What is an anti-flood device? This device clears the dishwasher sump of water and disables the filling valve circuits on the dishwasher. The device can be as simple as a float or as complicated as a unit activated by pressure or back pressure. By cleaning the water, the anti-flood device ensures that the incoming water supply is stopped while reducing the water that escapes to the floor. What would keep the anti-flood device activated all the time? When the device is activated, the water must be getting back into the dishwasher tray and activating the switch. This can be brought about by plenty of factors, including a leaky valve that lets water into the system, improperly routed drain line that allows water to get back into the dishwasher, obstructed one-way valve. How do you fix the problem? Fixing the dishwasher noise problem is simple. You need to identify the cause of the problem and fix it. You also should remove the water from the reservoir. To do this, you need to remove the kickback. It hides the area under the kitchen cupboards. Remove the screws holding the lower cover in place on the dishwasher base using a screwdriver. It might seem hard if you aren't used to it, but it's doable. After removing the screws, you should see the lower part of the dishwasher. You also will be able to see and access the reservoir. Since the switch is activated, you will have water in the reservoir. Using a sponge or cloth, empty the water from the reservoir into a bucket. Depending on the amount of water in the reservoir, it might take you some time to empty all water. After you have removed all the water, the switch will move fully down. If it doesn't, pull it down so it sits on the plastic base. Once you are done, reattach the cover with the screws and replace the kickback. If you have fixed the problem and allowed water into the reservoir, the dishwasher should work as normal. If the problem doesn't go away, contact a reputable contractor and ask him to give the unit a look. If the dishwasher is old and it has been having the same problem for a long time, chances are it's time to get another machine. One of the best we have come across is the Farberware dishwasher with up to 6 settings and many other whistles and bells. Other noises the dishwasher might be making. Beeping. You will have this noise when you open the dishwasher mid-cycle, even when running a dry cycle. To stop the noise, shut the door, then hit start to allow the dishwasher to resume the cycle. Booming noise, also known as water hammer. Booming noise comes about due to household plumbing and water pressure problems. As the dishwasher's water valve closes, the pipe's water force causes the pipes to rattle. When you flush the toilet and turn off the faucet in the tub or sink, you can hear the force. Contact a plumber and find out whether they can fix the problem. To fix the noises, thumping, rhythmic knocking sounds come about when the spray arm hits something inside the dishwasher as the spray arm rotates. To fix this problem, rearrange the dishwasher to provide clearance for the spray arms. Rattling. As the dishwasher is running, the water action can cause the dishes to rattle, and the lightweight plastic objects get out of the rack. Sometimes, dishwasher noises come about due to the dishes and utensils not being secure and banging together, often due to improper loading. In most cases, the noises are hard to distinguish from normal motor noises. To tell whether the noises are due to a loading problem, run the dishwasher without the dishes. Consult the dishwasher manual on proper loading if you don't have any noise. Squealing. The noises are common when the dishwasher is new. Since it doesn't have any water, it might make a noise the first time you are using it. You also will have a problem when you run the appliance for the first time after a long time of inactivity. To fix this noise, add 1 quart of water to the bottom of the tub. The water will lubricate the pump seal, hence getting rid of the noise. Grinding noises will happen when there is no water in the dishwasher, yet the circulation pump runs. To know more about this problem, visit Solved Dishwasher Making Grinding Noise. What should you do with a dishwasher making noise? Most of the dishwasher problems are easy to fix, so that you can fix them yourself. If you have tried fixing the issue, but it's still growing, it's time to hire a contractor. To hire the right contractor, you need to consider plenty of factors that include proper licensing. The last thing you want is to work with an unlicensed professional. When the contractor is licensed, you are sure they will provide exceptional services. Some states require their contractors to attend training to maintain their licenses. Hence, when you work with a licensed professional, you are sure they are well versed with the latest technical skills, so they understand how to fix even the current machines. Experience. How long has the contractor been in business? The longer, the better, as you are sure they have fixed many machines, so they have the necessary skills to diagnose and fix the problem perfectly. Price. The biggest worry with homeowners is the amount of money they will spend fixing a problem, so the contractor's fee is vital. While avoid a costly contractor as they might be ripping you off. At the same time, avoid a contractor charging a meager price as they might be inexperienced and end up damaging your appliance. For best results, work with a contractor providing excellent services at an affordable price. Warranty. Reputable contractors will give a guarantee on the services they provide. Before hiring the contractors, ask them whether they stand behind their work by offering a guarantee. If they don't, be wary of them. Insurance. Many things can go wrong as the contractor is fixing your noisy dishwasher. The contractor can hurt himself. He can damage the appliance, among many other things. Do you know what happens when an accident happens in your home? The liability is passed to you. To avoid this, work with an insured contractor. How can you take good care of your dishwasher so it doesn't make noise when off? The key to keeping off dishwasher problems is taking good care of them. How do you do this? One of the most effective ways is to hire a dishwasher repair professional. At least once a year, ask the repair professional to inspect your appliance and find out if it has any issues. You might argue that appliance inspections are only for commercial appliances, but this isn't the case. Do you want to stand out from the other homeowners and keep your appliances in top shape all the time? You need to stop hiring repair technicians when the appliance breaks down. Instead, make it a habit to hire contractors to inspect your unit and fix any issues it might be having. During these inspections, the contractor can identify the pending issues and fix them before they worsen. Another thing you should do is to avoid ignoring the problems when you notice them. If you are like other homeowners, you ignore most of the dishwasher issues, especially if they have no serious impact on the dishwashing machine's operations. To avoid the dishwasher problems catching you by surprise, make it a habit to address the issues as soon as they come about. Regardless of how minor they are, move with haste and fix them.